Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I have got something really useful to share with you. Making website to used to be difficult, expensive, and time consuming. However, the game is changing with Dora AI. I'm going to simply explain this how to use this Dora AI. Now, let's dive right in. First, join the wishlist. Then I'm going to connect my Google account. After that, go to Dora editor. So here what you see, this is the project panel and this is templates. So here you see pre-designed impressive website templates, customize them easily right here. So it's looking so awesome. So if you want, you can edit also here. So now I'm going to create simple project. So this is Dora interface. So as you can see, the overall layout is pretty standard and similar to a lot of common tools. So let's click here. You can import your 3D model here. You can import, you can use this also, you can use here also. Just click and here GLB format. I am going to import this. Okay. You double click this, you can zoom and rotate like this. So I'm going to keep this here. So now I'm going to add on background. So here container. So you can create like this. So you can change the color also here. So I'm going to keep this color and send to back. Okay. Just let's click here and drag. And here you can import your images. Contain push it like this. So here you can lock. So and here you can add text here. So simply type here you can increase the size. Here you can change the text format. Okay. And here you can change the color. Okay, you can add more details here. So I'm not doing that much. So I'm simply doing this. So next, I'm going to publish this. So here the publish button is here. Just click. And if you have already domain, you can use just here. You can use your domain, or else you don't have any domain. So here the subdomain is available in the Dora website. So you just create your name. So I'm going to click Blender AI. So just save domain. So then turn on this. So now you can publish your website. You can send this link to all will work. So can edit your website here also. So you can use these templates, how they is made. You just learn from this and try something more fun. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.